Hi everyone, I'm Don Genova with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books, and this week I've got 3 books for you from the Foodie Quick and Easy Recipe series, Thai, Spanish, and Italian. We need easy recipes, right? So let's start with the easy Italian recipe, and the one that I tested from here was tuna with almonds, pine nuts, and olives. You know what? I didn't have any pine nuts, so I just used pistachios instead. Besides, pine nuts are really expensive. This was really great because you get the crunch of the nuts, the acidity of the olives, all matching with the richness of the tuna. Highly recommended dish, very easy to put together. Second, let's go to Spain with quick and easy Spanish recipes. 3 million copies of this book have been sold. 100 authentic 30-minute recipes, tested, tasted, and trusted. You know how you go to Spanish tapas bars and they always have the patatas bravas, the little chunks of potato? I decided to see if I could recreate that tapas dish using the recipe in this book. And I did the secret sauce that goes with the potatoes, olive oil, white vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and hot smoky paprika. And you know what? That's one of my favorite ingredients. You see, hot smoky paprika. I got the big container. Finally, we're going to go to Thailand. And I have to admit, Thai is a complex cuisine to cook at the best of times. You are going to have to search for some ingredients, but luckily this book has some ingredient substitutions, and even more luckier than that is that in the Greater Victoria area, there are a number of shops that will carry the ingredients that you like, and you'd be surprised that even in a grocery store these days, you can find a lemongrass seasoning paste instead of having to try to search out the fresh long root. From this book, I chose to make the green papaya salad. Now, it's amazing because green papaya is really hard and tart, but when you sliver it into tiny strips and add some lime and hot chili and fish sauce and brown sugar, it really comes together in a very savory and yet a little bit sweet dish. It's very refreshing and satisfying. So that was the Quick and Easy Thai recipes, all 3 books, the Foodie Quick and Easy Recipe Book Series. They're all available at great prices at Russell Books in downtown Victoria, or just go to russellbooks.com. I'm Don Genova for Foodie Friday. We'll see you next time.